everybody, it's Miss Edmonds here, and today in phonics we are going to be looking at the sh digraph. Sh is a digraph made up of two letters, S and H. We can find the sh sound in words like sh, all, shell. Where does the sh sound come in the word shell? That's right, it comes at the beginning of the word. The sh sound is also in the word fish. Where does the sh sound come in the word fish? That's right, the sh sound comes at the end of the word fish. Now we know what the digraph sh looks like, let's have a go of playing a game of buried treasure. Remember to read the words along with me and to use your robot arms. Then we will decide if it is a fake word or a real word, and we will put it in the right place. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Sh, s, chess. Is that a fake word or a real word? It's a fake word. Well done. Next one. D, sh, dash. Dash. Can we put that in a sentence? No, so it's not real. Next one. Sh, ship. Yes, that's a real word, isn't it? The ship is sailing on the sea. Next word is fish. Fish. Another real word. This one is shock. Shock is a real word. If you have a surprise, you might have a shock, so it goes in the treasure chest. Next one is lish. I don't think I've heard that word before. That goes in the bin. Okay, off we go. Bash. Bash is a real word. If you hit something, you might hear a bash. All, shell. We've already read that one. We know that that's a real word. Hish. No, I don't think that's a real word. Rush. Oh yes, if you're in a hurry, you're in a rush. That goes in the treasure chest. Well done. You've done a fantastic job at reading the sh sound in lots of different words. Why don't you have a go at writing some words with the sh sound? Look around your house or ask a grown-up to help you. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil to have a go at writing them. Have fun. Bye.